Today's lesson, we are going to talk about the function extension of face recognition. Program default setting is that TonyPi will execute the greeting action when detect the face. The feedback action can be revised to others, such as bowing. This video will teach you how to modify TonyPi feedback action after detecting the humanoid face. Before this lesson, we are going to review the initial programs of face recognition. Click to enter the Excel terminal on desktop, and then enter the commands to come to the category of game program, and start again. You can see that TonyPi executes the grading action after detecting the face. Can we modify the feedback action? Of course, you just need to modify the corresponding action group. For that, learn about action group file firstly, open File Manager and then click TonyPi file. We can see action group file, which is used to save action group. We provide a TonyPi action group instruction. Now, return to Excel terminal and comment to go into the game program through VI editor. Program has notes to help you understand. You can see that the program at line 88 is the feedback action after detecting face. Wave is the name of the grading action. You can modify it directly. Return to the action group instruction. You will find that number 51 is the wave action. If you want to modify the action to bowing, you can find the corresponding action group name. Okay, return to the Excel terminal. Press I key to enter the editing mode, then modify wave to bow. Save the file and exit the editor now. Let's look at the performance. If you want to modify to other actions, you just follow the same steps. But please know that the name of action group mustn't be entered incorrectly. Then if you enter the action group that is customized, you have to make sure that action group is located in the action group file. Otherwise, action may fail to call. That is the end of the video. Now please have a try.